Hi, my name's Drogo. I'm the founder of Fine Food Specialist. Welcome to my kitchen. Okay, the first scallop dish we're going to cook today is a jumbo Canadian scallop. We're going to sear it in a pan and finish it on a bed of very rich and unctuous Celeriac Puree paired with truffles with a red wine jus. So we're going to cook these celeriac dice in milk and double cream, flavoured with thyme and garlic and some seasoning. So they're cooked through essentially in cream, very, very rich. And then we're going to mix it with mashed potato. This will be too liquid, so we need to put the flavour into the mash. We're going to dice some truffle bits in there, a little bit of truffle oil. It's going to be very, very rich and unctuous, but really delicious. Double cream. Something goes to thyme. Just helps it release the flavour. And last but not least is the salt, which is very important actually. Not going to put too much in there because it's going to reduce, so we'll finish at the end. As the milk evaporates, the cream starts to thicken. And if you leave it without watching, it will go over. But as it also evaporates, it gets richer and richer, which is what we're trying to do. So the next step is to drain this. Just going to reserve this. We've drained the liquor off so that when we blitz it, if it's too thick, we can loosen it out with the same flavours that it was cooked in. So now we're going to blitz this in the machine. What we're looking for is a really velvety thing, as you can see coming out now. So that's the consistency we're looking for. And you can also see that it's quite loose, which is why we're going to add mash to it. We need to hold it up. We're going to put a scallop on top, so it needs the texture to hold that scallop. Just put a little dash of salt in there like that, and add the mash. And you can see there's actually, it's probably half-half. What we want is the flavour of the celeriac to come through. See how thick and velvety that is. The celeriac mash is ready. We're just going to add little fine bits of truffle to it. You can actually smell that truffle coming out as you cut it. We're going to beat in the truffle pieces and then finish with a couple of drops of truffle oil. And then toast. We are ready to grill our scallop, so we're going to get the pan on for the scallop. So a tiny bit of oil in there, we're going to let that heat up a little bit. We've got our scallop seasoned, and it's important we get a hot pan for this because we want to give it a nice sear caramelisation. Don't touch it, you need to leave it for a good 20-30 seconds to get some colour. In goes the butter now, crackle of thyme. Again, that thyme and butter give it the flavour that it deserves. We're going to put it on top of the truffle celeriac puree. Just enough to hold the scallop up, you see. So we're just going to finish by putting this port wine jus over the top, just to finish the plate. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching me cook this recipe today. All the ingredients are on the Fine Food Specialist website, and if you need any help or assistance, please do get in touch with us.